How to fix iOS 17 battery draining fast in iPhone. First up, open up the settings and then head towards a background app refresh options under general. Here, make sure your background app refresh is turned off. If it is turned on, make sure you click on it and then set it back to off. The second thing you have to check is go back to the settings page again and then scroll down until you see an option called Privacy and Settings. It is right there as you can see on the screen, and here click on Location Services. Make sure the Location Services is turned off, and you can simply do this by clicking on the bottom next to it. After this, go back to Settings again and then scroll down until you see an option called Accessibility. Then click on the third option called Display and Text Size, and this takes you to a new page. Scroll down until you see the Auto Brightness option. Make sure the Auto Brightness is turned on, as you can see it is written there that turning off Auto Brightness may affect battery life and long-term display performance. After you have turned on the Auto Brightness, the final thing that you can do is scroll down from the top right corner in your screen and then enable the low power mode as you can see on the screen. The low power mode is the battery icon that you can see in yellow colored at the bottom, and clicking on it will enable the low power mode. And this is how you can simply fix the problem of battery draining fast in your iPhone devices. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.